Okay, so this is just a fast review on how to create a Google form. So in order to create a Google form, first of all, you need to be logged into your Google account. After you have logged into your Google account, if you see the little boxy things up here at the top, just go to google.com and then look for these little boxy things there and click on those and go to your Drive. Once your Drive loads, click on the Create button over on the left. And if you don't see it saying form, then you can go down and select more. I'm going to shrink my screen a little bit so you can see. If you need more apps, you can just click on that and get more. The most recent forms you use will be there. So I'm going to click on Form. And the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to name your form. And then don't forget about these permissions up here. If it's something that you're planning on sending out to parents or people outside of the district, make sure you uncheck the box right there because it says require North Santiam School District login. Now, if it's something that you are using for students or colleagues and you want to easily grab their email addresses, or for students you want to see who completed it, then that is a nice feature to have, and then to say automatically collect their responses. There's also this nice feature here that we want to remind you of. It says shuffle question order. If you're making something that's a quiz, and it doesn't matter what order it is, but you don't want kids to look over at each other's screens and necessarily see the same thing, remember that's the box where you can do that. I'm going to unclick that one as well right now. This box here is really nice. It only works if you're collecting their login information, and it says only allow one response per person. That keeps somebody from going in and doing things more than once. This is how you can use it for things like, say, voting. And I'm not going to go too far into the form. We have created the form. Remember that when you come down to a question, this is where you'll type your question. What is your name? And then you have your options. Your answer could be multiple choice, paragraph, check boxes, choose from a list, scale, grid, and so on. For this type of a question, obviously, it would be a text. And then I would say done. If I want to add another question, I just click on Add Item and I continue on. And that is the end of this tutorial because I wanted to keep it really fast. Thank you very much.